Hello guys, welcome to How to Login. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to delete Moj App account. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. First, let's learn what Moj App really is. Moj is an Indian video sharing social networking service owned by Bangalore-based Mahala Tech Private Limited. It features special effects, emoticons, stickers and short videos that have a duration of 15 seconds to 1 minute under genres like dance, travel, singing, acting, comedy, and education. Follow these steps to delete Moj App account. First of all, click on Moj App. Now click your profile button. Click on 3 dots at top right corner of the app. By doing so, you will get into profile settings. And scroll a bit and click on more. Click on Delete My Data. Now enter your email address, phone number and reason and click on Submit button. In this way your Moj account will be deleted. I hope you guys liked this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.